Understanding the phrase, judgment has come. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, judgment has come. Often heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations, this phrase packs a lot of meaning and history. Let's dive into its origins, uses, and how you can incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Judgment has come fundamentally refers to a moment when a decision or verdict is delivered, especially in a serious or significant matter. It's like the final moment in a courtroom drama where the judge announces the decision. But it's not just used for courtrooms. It can symbolize any moment of truth or reckoning in life. Throughout history, the phrase has been used in various contexts, often carrying a weighty or ominous tone. In religious texts, it might refer to divine judgment. In literature, it could symbolize a character's moment of truth. Understanding these contexts can add depth to your interpretation of the phrase. In modern times, judgment has come can be used both seriously and colloquially. You might hear it in a news report about a significant court case or used humorously among friends when making a decision, like choosing a place to eat. The tone and setting can greatly affect its meaning. Let's see how you can use this phrase. 1. Serious tone. After years of investigation, judgment has come for the controversial leader. 2. Light-hearted tone. Finally, after debating for an hour, judgment has come on where to order pizza from. Judgment has come is a versatile phrase enriched with historical depth and modern adaptability. Whether you're watching a drama unfold in a movie or experiencing a pivotal moment in your own life, this phrase can add gravity or a touch of humor to the moment. Hope you found this video helpful, and remember, every phrase you learn unlocks a new aspect of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.